Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I wanted to do a video on AT&T here. Say what you want about AT&T. You see, it is actually green going up, unlike if you're watching the markets whatsoever. I'm sure any of your other stocks are in the red. But I actually bought some more of this last week on the dip. As you can see, I have 16 shares at $28.59, and I'm up above my cost basis, so I'm glad I bought those. I believe it was last Friday. We'll go over those here in a moment. But right now, it's trading at $29.52. If I'd have known this one was going up, I would have maybe tried buying some more here this morning. I like my key point on this one. Anything below $29 is awesome. If I can get it under 30, it's awesome as well. But I used to have about 30-40 shares here in Robinhood, and it hit $31 or something like that when HBO Max came out, and I sold them and bought some other stocks. But I've bought back into it on the dips here. As you can see, my cost basis is $28.59. If you don't know what AT&T is, I'll just let you pause and read the rest there for yourself. And here's just a couple articles. Still not the greatest of ratings. There's your earnings available on April 22 pre-market. And as you can see, I bought mine 10 shares at $27.99. I should have totally loaded up, but that's all the extra cash that I had there at the moment. So that was a great day to buy in, and actually got a dividend here, 52 cents per share, and that happens 4 times a year. I think it's a payout of $2.08 per year per share. So Verizon's even up today in the green. So again, another reason to diversify. And from some of my bank stocks, realty income, I do not have any of that. I hear a lot of people talking about that for dividends. I still haven't purchased any of that one, but it's kind of in the red today. But another good reason to diversify, my bank stocks are in the green. Some of my REITs are in the green. And AT&T, I've thought about doing a video on it for quite some time. Now is an excellent time while everything's red, and AT&T's totally green. So this shows their stock outperforms market on a strong trading day, and this is just yesterday on the 4th. And Verizon's up, which is a good thing, and Comcast is up. So. And this is what AT&T is doing for the day. So we'll see if they can hold. They're kind of up and down. Once it touches that $30 mark, it usually comes down from what I watch it. But shares of AT&T inched 0.70 higher to $28.92 Thursday on what proved to be an all-around rough trading session for the stock market, with the S&P falling 1.34%. And I'll let you pause and read the rest there for yourself. I'm sure if you're in stocks, you're watching everything go down and wondering if it's on its way back up. Some of the other stocks that I've been watching, everything kind of dipped right about this time and then started going back up a little bit. So fortunately, AT&T was not one of those that dipped, so it's been kind of a green one today. But say what you want about AT&T. I'm going to continue to hold it. I have about 100 shares in my retirement, and it just sits there cranking the dividends, and just got it set up on drip. So I don't know how long I'll let that set. Sometimes I turn it off and let that money, use that money to buy other stocks. But Here's on March 5th today an update: AT&T to Host Analyst and Investor Day webcast on Friday, March 12th, which is a week from today, so might want to put that on your calendar. We'll webcast its Analyst and Investor Day on Friday the 12th at 9 a.m. Central. During the event, the company will provide updates on its business strategy and capital allocation plans. To access the live webcast, you can go to that particular website. This gives a little bit more information about what AT&T is. Feel free to pause and read the rest there for yourself. If you have HBO Max, put that in the comments as well. That'd be interesting to know. I subscribed about a month or so ago. If you like Game of Thrones, which I'm you'll probably make fun of me before not watching that, but I still haven't even finished the first season, so I'm still trying to get through the first season. I've been watching and working on my channel here, so I haven't really had too much time to watch it, but that's been one of my favorite shows. But and also, if you have any AT&T shares, go ahead and put that in the comments as well, and what your cost basis is, and any thoughts in regards to AT&T or Verizon or T-Mobile. This is another article as of today: why AT&T is a top socially responsible dividend stock. Signifying a stock with above average dividend rank, statistics including a strong 7.2% yield, and that's what keeps me in it, as well as being recognized by prominent asset managers as being a socially responsible investment through analysts of social and environmental criteria. And feel free to comment. I know they have a lot of debt. They're working on the sale of, I believe, DirecTV. Maybe that's already went through. I haven't been following them that close. I've gotten into penny stocks and some other things, so this one's, I just let it set and do its thing, so and buy on the dips. If you haven't smashed that like button, go ahead and give that a big Hulk smash for me, as well as subscribing if you haven't subscribed yet. And I'm trying to take my channel to the next level and get up to 1,000 subscribers, and trying to turn this into a full-time gig. So, and also, if you like AT&T, yay or nay, you can put that in the comments as well. So I'm open to any comments on AT&T. But this just kind of goes over a little bit more information here. Feel free to pause the video and read the rest there for yourself. And just as I said, the annualized dividend is $2.08 a share. So you can do the math. If you have TD Ameritrade, there's a calculator on there. You can go in and plug in how many shares and what the income on it is per year. There's a couple other YouTubers out there that I've seen do dividend videos about AT&T. I haven't done one in depth yet. One individual, I can't say his name, I can't remember, but he showed where if you put like $500,000 into AT&T, I think it would produce, don't quote me on this 100%, like a $3,000 to $5,000 or $3,000 to $5,000 per month income is what it would average out to be. It's quarterly pay, but that's, I believe, what it averaged out to be. So I didn't do the math before this video. I just wanted to go over the highlights here. But go ahead and mess around with that calculator on TD Ameritrade. It's a good tool to use. This is on Reddit. Probably not too much talk on here. AT&T is not too much of a popular stock to talk about, but I've always wanted to do a video on them. But added on the dip last week, so did I. I wish I would have had a couple hundred or $1,000 more dollars to dump into that one, where it was below $28. You don't see that too often. It's usually always below 30 and sometimes below 29, and I just can't resist picking up some more shares at that point in time. So kind of some interesting comments always here, and Tip Ranks even gives it a good rating. It's a moderate buy, $29.52 right now, and a high of $31.88. So high of $38. It used to be a $38 stock. I haven't seen it $38 for quite some time, and a low of $24. So another reason I like AT&T is you see the dip here in the pandemic. Last year, it was up at 37, and it only went down $10. I mean, yeah, that's a lot if you're holding this in numerous shares, but it did provide a buying opportunity, and it's just been kind of trading kind of flat since then. 33 there, and I think right about in here is where I sold my 30 to 50 shares, whatever I had here in Robinhood, and bought some other things, but it's just continued to go down, and so I bought some more. So I'll continue to hold the AT&T probably, I don't know, who knows, the rest of my life, but I haven't quite decided. But I like the company, I like the dividend, the debt a lot of people talk about, but as long as it keeps paying the dividend and doesn't go below my cost basis, that works for me. So that's it for AT&T. If you have any other videos you want me to do, or any ideas you want me to do a video about, go ahead and leave that in the comments, as well as smashing that like button and subscribing. That would help out the channel. And I thank you for watching my videos and the support. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.